you're watching Caterpillar Network. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to make an face mask. This is the easiest way to create how I create a face mask. So the materials that we needed is, of course, a felt and scissor and ruler. And if you don't have a chalk, you can have an oil pastel. And of course, your sewing kit. Okay, so let's start. I've already cut this felt into, don't forget, always remember it's 11 inches here because I already tried this on. It's 11 inches here, and it's 6 inches into the other side. And then I'm gonna flip it over. Okay, so after you do it, we're just going to give it that. And voila! And I've already cut some pieces from the cloth because we're going to use this as the tie and for the support of our DIY face mask. We can move it inside. And voila! You are done. And if you don't have a sewing machine or portable sewing machine, you can just stitch it out. It's really easy to stitch because it has already one side to stitch, and it is really adjustable, as you can see. Okay, that's it for today. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And for more info, you can follow us on Instagram at Caterpillar Network.